All right, what's up? Welcome back to the HOH Trading Channel. I'm gonna go over what's going on Bitcoin today. All right, let's jump straight into the charts. I scalped along here. This is off the level I was saying that if you took a short from that short I gave, you should take profits around this zone. I tried to scalp along. We're gonna see if I get stopped out or not. My stop loss is just below this level right here. Could take profits. I mean, this you could still hop into this long. It's still early. Might get stopped out, might not. That's part of trading. If this stops me out, wick me out, and then reclaims this level again, I'll attempt another long again. That's just Bitcoin. You could take profits here, but I'm thinking if this level holds and we start getting to move up, it'll come way up into like 70K minimum. And then if you get above those levels, you could expect a new high to be made. That's what I'll be looking for. Or you still just shouldn't be shorts and price this tank. I mean, if we start losing this zone right here, Bitcoin could get a huge drop and it's gonna be real quick. But let me check my order flow. Trading, you gotta stop this, man. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, I don't see too much going on order flow. It's just, yeah. Hold on, give me a second. Look like my thing is frozen. Oh, they ain't even starting. Oh my God, what is going on with this stuff today? All right, there we go. See a decent amount of shorts coming down to these lows. Not too much longs. Like I said, I'll be expecting the bounce. I mean, yeah, I'll be expecting the bounce. I mean, it's not much to talk about on these trades. Like in my last video yesterday, I was basically saying that you just gotta wait to see what's happening. I just wanted to give like a quick update. I know I said I wasn't taking no longs, so I found me a trade today, and I was like, yeah, right off of that zone I was saying you could take profits. It's a decent long to take, like a day trade. Excuse me. We could go through a few old coins to see if I see anything. Damn, did we come into the zone? Nope. Look at this coin. Let's see what we got here. If I'm interested in any coins. This was a short. I didn't take this short because I didn't like the reaction at my level. On top of that, I was asleep too. But if we drop it, like I said, it doesn't matter. I'm still in the short. I'm trying to see if I can find a day trade for y'all to hop in. It's kind of too late because it's Friday. And trading on Fridays is not, I mean, you could trade on Fridays, but the volume is usually slow. This is a short I'll be interested in on a morph coin. It's still around my level. I didn't take that short yet, but what I'm waiting for is for it to come back up here, take this, and then that would be the short that I'm interested in taking. If it comes here and take this high out again, comes back test, I'll look for a short then. And for now, I haven't taken that short. You could have taken that short, your stop loss above here, but when I'm trading these old coins, you got to let some time go by before you take it. It's never on the first attempt that you should take that short. Okay, I still got time. I could go over a little bit of what coin we was practicing on. AAVE. So, the last video I was showing basically how I mark up these charts and do the SR levels, monthly resistance and stuff like that. Now, I said I was going to do, what was it? Parallel channels. It's a parallel channel here. You take it from this pivot high, and this is too high. I don't like that wick. I'm going to do probably this pivot high down to this low. No, I don't really care for that one either. That wick is killing me right now. Let me see something. Let me do this again. I'm gonna use this to this. Yeah. This is a parallel channel. Let me get this accurately. So, watch how price is going from parallel high to the low, back to the high, back down to the low, back to the high. And you see how you just keep going in and out this channel. The channel broke here, but when you reclaimed it, you came back to the middle of the channel. Usually, if I was trading these parallel channels, if you shorten the high, this is a huge wick, so that's kind of ridiculous. You short this high, you take profits at the middle, and then hopefully it comes down to the channel low. Same thing here. You take a long here, middle, take profit, top, take profit. And then, again, you short it here. Take profit one, you don't fully make it down to the channel low, and you get stopped out of the long, but you still took profit on the middle of the channel. And like I said, if you practicing these tools, you're going to see what I'm saying. You just got to keep practicing with it. I need another old coin to look, because I don't really like this chart. It's just too much long wicks. It's annoying. Another example here. High, low, high, down, down, back to the high, and then you finally break out. That's a parallel channel. Let's do another one. I'm gonna use this pivot low, high, high, boom, 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 and you broke out of this channel, but you reclaimed it. And like, you could take a long on the reclaim. You see how you got a nice candle, bullish engulfing candle, reclaiming it. Could have long, stop loss below here. This is just a quick example. Oh my God, Ted. On the lower term time frame, that candle probably don't look like that, because it's on the daily chart. So the candle probably like is way down here. And look how you target the middle of the range. Middle of the range, or you target the high. You took your profits at the middle of the range, so even if it comes back down and stop you out, you still win the trade. Those are parallel channels. Yeah, that's what I wanted to go over today and do like a recap on what I'm looking for next in Bitcoin. Nothing too technical, everything simple. Like I said, yeah, I took a long off this here. Around this zone here, I took a long on Bitcoin. If it stops me out, wick me like this. If I get stopped out, boom, and it reclaims, I'll look for a long off this back test again. If I get stopped out again, I'm done taking longs for the day. And that'll be about it. These are like small trades, small positions. So in the next video, maybe this weekend, maybe not, on a few hours, we'll see what happens on this trade, if we're just gonna dump or get this pump. And that's another thing. That's why I didn't really care too much on taking any more trades on Bitcoin, because I'm like, this range is exhausted. It's a decent long, but I'm like, I don't really care. I didn't need to take that long because I'm already in the long from down here. If you want to preserve your capital, I mean, you don't have to, but I like to trade. So if I see a trade trigger, I'll take it. That's how I like to do it. But yeah, if anything happens either today or tomorrow, I'll come with another video updating on what I'm looking for next on Bitcoin. And thanks for watching. 100.